This video will demonstrate how to embed a video within your Blackboard Ultra course site using the tool Embed Cloud Documents. First, log into Blackboard and open your Ultra course. Navigate to where you'd like to add the video within your course content area. When you hover between the sections, you'll see this little purple plus sign. Go ahead and click that purple plus sign and then choose Create. From the menu on the right-hand side, you're going to select Embed Cloud Document. This may prompt you to log in with your BSU credentials into Office Online. Once you've logged in, you're going to see your OneDrive folder or any subfolders, and you can navigate to where the video is located that you'd like to share. Select the video you'd like to embed within your Blackboard Ultra course site, and then click the blue Select button. What this is doing is creating a SharePoint site behind the scene just for your Blackboard course. So anybody that is enrolled in the course and accesses these videos from inside your Blackboard Ultra course site would get permissions to view these videos. They are living in SharePoint, so they are not inside Blackboard, and thus they're able to be streamed without downloading them directly to a student's computer. You, as the creator of this site, would be responsible for deletion of the site once the course is over. You will get an email notification to let you know, and then you would just choose to delete it when your course is finished. So now that I've embedded the video within my course site, you'll see I have a little play button. I have to make sure I click save in order to keep this inside of my Ultra course. I can also edit the file name if I'd like. So I might just want to call it Week 1 Video. And I can also click the gear in the upper right corner and add a description if I'd like. So I can say that this video goes along with the Week 1 readings, make sure to view it before class meetings or whatever is relevant, and click save. And now when I close this out, I can choose to make the video available to students. I can also set some release conditions if I wanted to. So now when a student logs into the course, if the weekly folder is open, the video is inside that folder. They just click the video and they're going to see it right inside of Blackboard. They may be prompted to log into Office 365 that first time, but that's using the same credentials they use to log into Blackboard.